Trevor here at Horne Auto Center, the Chevy store that saves you more. We're in the beautiful White Mountains in Shiloh, Arizona. We just want to talk about making sure you stick to a regular maintenance schedule for your vehicle, especially here in the summertime when it's nice and hot. Regular oil changes can help improve the performance and fuel economy of your Chevrolet car, truck, or SUV. Many older Chevrolet vehicles, including these manufactured without or before the creation of the oil life monitoring system, require oil changes at 3,000-mile intervals. However, thanks to the advances in engine technologies, newer models have a much longer range between oil changes. Always refer to your Chevrolet Vehicle Owner's Manual for oil change intervals for your specific vehicle. Certified service technicians at your Chevrolet dealer are expertly trained to understand how your vehicle uses its oil and how it monitors oil life. An oil change from our certified service technician not only gives you great service, convenience, and a great price, but you also get the added value of their expertise in your Chevrolet vehicle. It's a good idea to periodically check your oil level. In order to get an accurate reading, the oil must be warm at normal operating temperature and the vehicle must be on level ground. You'll get a more accurate dipstick reading by following those instructions. Thanks again for watching, guys. This is Trevor at Horne Auto Center, the Chevy store that saves you more in the beautiful White Mountains of Shiloh, Arizona. Please like, comment, and share, and be sure you schedule your next service appointment with one of our certified technicians.